What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Mitolyn before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Mitolyn works. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a dietary supplement designed to support mitochondrial function, enhance cellular energy, and promote overall vitality. It is formulated with a blend of ingredients that claim to optimize mitochondrial health, which plays a crucial role in energy production within the body. How does Mitolyn work? The mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell, are responsible for generating ATP, the primary energy source for cells. Mitolyn aims to improve mitochondrial efficiency, combat oxidative stress, and reduce fatigue by providing essential nutrients and cofactors that support cellular function. Key ingredients. While the exact formulation of Mitolyn may vary, some of the common ingredients found in mitochondrial supporting supplements include coenzyme Q10, supports energy production and acts as an antioxidant. Alpha-lipoic acid, helps combat oxidative stress and supports metabolic function. L-carnitine, facilitates the transport of fatty acids into mitochondria for energy production. PQQ, promotes mitochondrial biogenesis and supports cognitive function. Magnesium, essential for ATP production and muscle function. B vitamins, play a crucial role in energy metabolism and nerve function. Benefits of Mitolyn. Users of Mitolyn report experiencing the following benefits: increased energy levels, supports ATP production, leading to better physical and mental energy. Reduced fatigue, helps combat chronic fatigue by optimizing mitochondrial function. Enhanced cognitive function, some ingredients support brain health, focus, and memory. Improved metabolic efficiency, may aid in better nutrient utilization and overall metabolic health. Stronger immune system, antioxidants in the formula help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation.